Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn, and if you don't know it already, we are not experts at woodworking, metalworking,
home renovation, machining,
casting, 3D printing,
cosplay, or science.
It worked! It worked so good!
Each week we post a new video. Sometimes we make really practical stuff. Sometimes we make really not practical stuff.
And sometimes we get to make video with our friends.
Just video.
If you have any friends, which you do, because you have a school tool. We built them this week.
I don't know what I expected. Plenty of shots of the knife, but you guys are cute.
Bye!
Bye! We started this channel because we wanted to spend more time creating things together.
And we hope to show people that making is fun, you don't have to be perfect, and you can learn a lot if you give it a shot.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
So we hope you'll subscribe to catch the next video.
Bye!
Bye! Say bye.